Hey guys, so we back again. Just wanted to show y'all with me with family and interacting with my mother. She had cooked some spaghetti, which I don't think I'm gonna be eating it. I'm just gonna do some fish. But according to the dietary laws, because they already know I don't eat bottom feeders, so it's like a clean fish that I'm allowed to eat according to the dietary laws. And then I'm gonna just have some leftover rice that my mom cooked. And she's doing spaghetti. And then let me show y'all. So let me show y'all that. So she did the spaghetti. It's just beef. And so yeah, that's just gonna go over the spaghetti noodles. And let me show you my mom while she's doing that. You can just be doing whatever you're doing. So now she just kind of battering my fish so she can get it down into the grease. So yeah. And then I'll see y'all later. I'll be getting with y'all later if we decide to go out, so I can give y'all some content of us hanging out. But right now we're just trying to get something to eat first, and then we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do later. I'm just gonna put it on my mom so she can say bye. Bye. And again, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification. All right, bye.